So here in this question we are given this. So here N is here acting in this direction, W is acting this direction, force is applied here, and this is the height A. This is side A and B, and the force from here is acting in this direction. So summation of f of x from here is equals to 0. Summation of f of y from here is equals to 0, and we know that f of minus f is equals to 0 and n minus of w is equals to 0. So f from here is equals to f and n from here is equals to w. So f is equals to f, that is equals to mu of n, or which is equals to mu of w. So this is basically from here. So here we are given the force, that is equals to 0.24 multiplied by the 350.